Hello, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 30. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display and brightness. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change display mode between light and dark, and also we can schedule the dark mode. Next, we can change brightness level of the display manually or via adaptive brightness. Also we can enable or disable keep screen on function. Then we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. Adjust refresh rate of the screen between 120 Hz, 90 Hz, 60 Hz and auto switch. Then we can enable or disable eye care function, change color style of the display and color temperature, enable or disable ultra touch and adjust it. Then we can change font size, enable or disable inadvertently mode, auto rotate screen, manage lock screen preferences like notifications on lock screen, add text on lock screen, show wallet and lock screen overlay. In the end, we can manage status bar. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.